The automotive industry is a brutal battlefield. Every manufacturer claims to be pushing the boundaries, but let's be honest, most of them are just treading water. Toyota, however, has decided to dive headfirst into the deep end. The 2025 Corolla is more than just a car. It's a defiant middle finger to the status quo. Are you ready to be shocked, amazed, and maybe even jealous? Let's get started. The Toyota Corolla has long been the go-to for practical, reliable transportation. It's not about thrilling rides, but efficiency and value, which is why it is a favorite. Toyota has smartly capitalized on the Corolla's solid reputation, introducing variations like the Corolla Cross and the limited edition GR Corolla, each catering to different tastes. But the heart of the lineup remains the trusty Corolla sedan and hatchback models. Both versions come with a 169 horsepower inline-4 engine and an automatic transmission. While they might not win any races, they're known for their predictability and ease of use. These qualities resonate with many buyers who want dependable transportation without any fuss. The Corolla won't let you down if you're looking for a car that simply gets the job done. And now Toyota is shaking things up with a Corolla sedan for 2025 by introducing the new FX trim. This version builds on the Corolla SE, which boasts a sportier suspension and a slightly more powerful engine. Now, when we say more powerful, we're not talking about anything too crazy, but it's enough to give a bit of extra pep. The 2025 Corolla FX takes things further with a lowered stance and return power steering, making it more agile and responsive on the road. It rolls on sleek satin black 18-inch wheels and sports a distinctive rear spoiler that sets it apart from the crowd. The FX is available in black, white, and dark gray. These choices are complemented by black finishes on the roof, mirror housings, and badging, giving the car a bold, cohesive look. Toyota's aim with the FX is to add a touch of flair and excitement to the Corolla lineup. The lowered ride height and unique styling cues make it clear that this isn't your average Corolla. It's designed for drivers who want a bit more edge without sacrificing the reliability and efficiency that the Corolla is known for. The 2025 Toyota Corolla has a 169 horsepower, 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that powers the front wheels through a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. This powertrain is standard across the hatchback models, while the sedan also offers a hybrid option for those looking to maximize fuel efficiency. In tests of the Corolla SE hatchback and the Corolla X SE sedan, it is evident that these Toyota models can drive and cruise on the highway daily. However, accelerating quickly requires some patience, and pushing the engine hard results in some unrefined sounds that take away from the overall smooth experience. Despite this, the sedan and the hatchback provide a comfortable ride, smoothing out all the most severe bumps. The controlled body motions offer better agility than older versions, making the driving experience more enjoyable. The Corolla SE and XSE trims stand out with a sportier suspension setup and, in the case of the XSE, larger 18-inch wheels. The other models ride on either 15 or 16-inch rims. While these enhancements make the SE and XSE more engaging to drive, the Corolla's adequate steering doesn't quite match up to the more dynamic handling of rivals like the Mazda 3 and Honda Civic. When it comes to braking, neither Corolla's body style excelled in the 70 mph to 0 braking tests, requiring between 174 and 183 feet to come to a stop. However, the brake pedals are reliable and respond naturally to the driver's inputs, offering a sense of confidence and control during regular driving conditions. The Corolla sedan's hybrid option adds another layer of appeal to those who prioritize fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The hybrid powertrain blends efficiency with the same dependable characteristics found in the standard models. Overall, the 2025 Corolla maintains its reputation for reliability and practicality, now with added touches of sportiness in the SE and XSE trims. The ride quality is generally pleasant, handling everyday road imperfections with ease. The car's improved agility over previous generations is noticeable, making it a solid choice for city driving and highway journeys. However, when compared to competitors like the Mazda 3 and Honda Civic, the Corolla offers a satisfactory driving experience but doesn't quite deliver the same level of excitement. The steering is competent, but it doesn't inspire the same confidence as some of its more athletic rivals. Similarly, the braking performance is adequate but not outstanding. In addition to its standard fuel-efficient four-cylinder engine, the Corolla sedan offers a remarkably economic hybrid model. According to the EPA, the front-drive hybrid version is expected to get an impressive 53 miles per gallon in the city and 46 miles per gallon on the highway. If you opt for the all-wheel drive hybrid, you'll still get great mileage with ratings of 51 miles per gallon city and 44 miles per gallon highway. In comparison, the non-hybrid 169 horsepower 2.0-liter engine is estimated to achieve up to 41 miles per gallon on the highway. When tested, the all-wheel drive hybrid earned 40 miles per gallon on a 75 mile per gallon fuel economy route, while the gas-only Corolla XSE sedan with front-wheel drive saw 41 miles per gallon. The Corolla hatchback is rated up to 32 miles per gallon in the city and 42 mpg on the highway, making it a solid choice for those looking to save at the pump. The hybrid options in the Corolla lineup are perfect for those who prioritize fuel efficiency without compromising on reliability and comfort. The hybrid models offer an eco-friendly alternative that doesn't skimp on performance. With these impressive MPG figures, the Corolla hybrid is an excellent choice for city commuters and highway drivers looking to minimize fuel stops. Toyota has clearly put a lot of thought into making the Corolla not just practical, but also economical. Whether you choose the hybrid or the standard gas engine, you're getting a vehicle designed to make the most of every gallon of fuel. This focus on efficiency keeps the Corolla at the top of its game in the compact car market. Inside, the Toyota Corolla hatchback and sedan feature a sleek dashboard design with soft-touch materials that give the interior a more refined feel. Most models come standard with passive entry and push-button start, adding a touch of modern convenience. For those looking to enhance their ride, there are options for ambient interior lighting, dual-zone climate control, and heated front seats. Regarding space, the sedan is the better choice if you frequently have passengers in the back seat. It offers considerably more legroom than the hatchback, making it more comfortable for longer trips. On the other hand, the Corolla hatchback offers 18 cubic feet of cargo space behind its back seat, but in testing, it only fits 2 carry-on bags back there. To address this, Toyota offers a no-cost enhanced cargo space option that increases the area by 6 cubic feet, bringing the total to 23 cubic feet by replacing the spare tire with a tire repair kit. With its 13 cubic feet of trunk space, the sedan managed to fit 8 carry-on bags in testing. While both body styles provide ample space for everyday use, they fall short in interior cubby storage compared to some rivals. However, Toyota has included a handy tray at the front of the center console and a proper bin below the armrest, which helps to keep smaller items organized. Every Toyota Corolla has an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy for drivers to stay connected and entertained. There's also a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot for those who want internet access on the road. For the new 2025 model year, the new FX trim stands out with a standard 10.5-inch touchscreen, also available on other trims. This larger screen provides a more user-friendly interface and enhances the tech experience. The Corolla doesn't skimp on connectivity options either. It includes 4 USB-C ports, 2 located in the front and 2 in the rear, ensuring all passengers can keep their devices charged. There's also a 12-volt accessory port for additional charging needs. For those who want even more convenience, the Corolla offers wireless charging, so you can keep your phone powered up without dealing with cords. And if you're a music lover, the upgraded JBL audio system provides high-quality sound to enhance your listening experience. This means that Corolla's infotainment and connectivity features are designed to keep everyone entertained and connected. With various options and upgrades, it's easy to customize the Corolla to fit your tech preferences. Whether you stick with the standard 8-inch screen or opt for the larger 10.5-inch touchscreen, the Corolla ensures you have access to all the modern conveniences you need while driving. Regarding safety, the Toyota Corolla lineup is well equipped with various standard driver assistance technologies. Every model includes Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of features to keep drivers and passengers safe. Automatic high beams are part of the package, making night driving easier by automatically toggling between high and low beams as needed. Road Sign Assist is another handy feature that helps drivers stay aware of vital road signs. Key safety features of the Corolla include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. This system alerts the driver of potential front-end collisions and can apply the brakes automatically if necessary to prevent or mitigate an accident. Additionally, the standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist work together to prevent unintentional lane changes. If the vehicle begins to drift out of its lane, the system provides a warning and can make minor steering adjustments to help keep the car on track. Another feature, standard adaptive cruise control, maintains a set speed while automatically adjusting to keep a safe distance from the vehicle ahead, making highway driving more convenient and less stressful. Now, how did you like this upcoming vehicle? Are you going to keep this on your buying list? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.